Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Before we start, in case you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe. I will make sure that I keep posting learning videos as well as learnings from my trades. So today is one of the case where I am presenting my intraday trade and how I had to exit at cost and how I could have avoided that scenario, so that I could have maximized my reward and kind of minimize my risk. Today we traded PVR and we also traded PVR yesterday. We took short trade. The reason behind it was that yesterday we saw that this level was the point from where market reversed. So we were expecting that today if it crosses this level we would go for long trade, and if it did not we could have gone for the bearish trade. So in this scenario, in case this zone would have crossed, we would have gone for long trade, but the price action or the volume actions did not support it for the long trade. So today we went for the bearish trade, and reason behind it was that if you see here, price is increasing, volume is decreasing. To understand for this scenario, let's convert it to Heikinase. So here you are seeing that even though price is increasing, volume is coming down, and at this scenario we saw that even though volume is coming, volume is not coming, so we can ignore this two red candle. Then in green candle we not seeing as much volume, so all of this around 9 candles did not had volume, and they were kind of showing some rejection from the upside. So here you can see that no volume is there. Now we saw some candlestick pattern which is kind of evening star, then again follow up candle, and then if this was support point, let's assume that VWAP was a support point, then price should have bounced from here and it should have bounced with a volume, but it did not. When price went up we did not see any volume, then we saw a red candle formation. So this was our kind of entry point, which was around 1267, and the stop loss was above this candle, above closing of this candle. So this was closing basis stop loss, and target, ultimate target was 1255. So the reason behind selecting two target is that in case price goes against your analysis or against your speculation, then you can kind of book good profit, or you can say optimize your profit at target 1, and then kind of have a profit booking system to improve your to get rewarded as well as reduce your risk. So here today we did not have two target system because we missed one kind of level from where rejection could have been possible. For example, yesterday we saw this price zone where there was a fight between bearish and bullish. Okay, now this price broken, so this should have supported, and this kind of became support. So earlier this zone was resistance, now it became support for the today's trading session. So we missed this point. So from the next time, this is one of the learning session for me as well. Now if I had kind of kept this target 1 and target 2 system, you can have multiple targets as per your quantity. So here we are assuming that let's book half of my quantity here because I have just two targets, and trail my stop loss to cost, because we are saying good amount of movement here, so we could have trailed my stop loss to my cost. And since stop loss was above VWAP, so we can say that yes, in case there is a sudden volatility as we saw here, if such volatility comes, then the profit that you could have booked, you can see that I could have booked around 11 points, so I missed this profit. Okay, if I had partial booking system, then I could have at least taken 5 points overall, but it was kind of unlucky day. So point of this video is that First, we need to have multiple targets. Then second point is that we need to book partial profit at different targets. Third, trail your stop loss to cost or to a certain level which you think seems to be a good level to. So if instead of cost, I could have gone for the stop loss above just this candle, because this was good candle and it came with volume. So this was kind of candle which shows strength in a downward direction. So healthy bearish candle. And now we saw that price went up, then there was some retracement, then went ahead as well. So that will be all. Thanks everyone. See you on next video.